Are you looking for an elegant and functional addition to your kitchen? Look no further than the Weck Jars Large Quadro 769. These jars are made of transparent glass, allowing you to see the contents inside. Their sleek and modern design makes them a beautiful addition to any kitchen. The large size of these jars makes them ideal for storing a variety of items. Whether you want to store salads, delicious cold brew coffee, or pour, these jars have got you covered. They can also be used to create decorative pieces by adding candles, flowers, or other items. Not only are the Weck Jars Large Quadro 769 practical, but they also make a great gift option for loved ones interested in sustainable living and preserving food. Made with durable and sturdy glass, these jars are built to last. Their large size allows for versatile use in the kitchen. Safety and health are important when storing and preserving food, and that's where the Weck Quadro large glass jar shines. Made with strong glass, these jars are a safer option than plastic containers for food storage. You can rest assured that your food will be stored in a healthy and easy way. Another great feature of the Weck Jars Large Quadro 769 is that they are made in Germany, a country known for its high-quality manufacturing. These jars are designed to provide an airtight seal, keeping your food fresh for longer. They are dishwasher and microwave safe, making them even more practical for everyday use. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for use in your country. Be sure to check compatibility before purchasing. In conclusion, if you're looking for a versatile and sustainable option for storing and preserving food, the Weck Jars Large Quadro 769 is the perfect choice. With their elegant design, durable construction, and practical features, these jars are a must-have for any kitchen. So why wait? Get your Weck Jars today and start enjoying the benefits of healthy and eco-friendly food storage.